Alright, guys. So it seems like there's a new video of Andrew and Tristan Tate in the public after they're released on house arrest. Now, they've been not allowed to leave their house for all this time. And if they wanted to leave this house, it must be an emergency or for investigations, I guess. But recently, there's a new video that popped up of them going to Dicot, and from what I know, is just for like the investigation. And it's just good to see them actually walk free without police escort or something. Yeah, just take a look at this video. Now first off, let me tell you that Tristan looks stylish. But on the second hand, you can see that Andrew Tate still has hair. So it seems like he actually just trimmed everything a bit, and he's gonna actually keep the hair in a bigger beard. And just to add something, he isn't the most random clothes, which is just hilarious to me. Now, I think they were just there for like some kind of an investigation. We don't really have info on that yet,